Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So for this morning, my channel, my name is Gerald. Obviously, kagigising ko lang and look at our background. Di ba kaigat? Mm, lalaki pa rin ako. Ganito talaga yung aking formada. Hindi na to siya maiiba kahit tumaba pa ako kasi ganyan talaga yan siya, Ben. Tataw, grabe kong kahuragok. So, ngayon is, aalis yan siya. Puntayan siya ng Manila. Kasi grabe yung stress niya dito sa construction site. Ibigyan ko siya ng time na mag-enjoy siya doon. Bisitahin yung kanyang friend. You know, yung kanyang binibisita lagi doon. Si Marius. Ano ko na yan siya, namit ko na siya. Meron din yan siyang Pilipina wifey. Polish guy din. Same sila. So, tagal na yan silang friend. Even if hindi pa kami nagkakilala ni Mika. Friend na yan sila. So, ayun. Today yung kanyang flight. But before that is, mamimili pa tayo ng tiles kasi ilang araw siya doon. Of course, magtatrabaho tayo dito. No? Stress na stress siya, guys. Dahil lahat, ay hindi naman lahat ng gusto niya. Yung mga hindi namin nakikita na grabe yung mata niya na nakikita niya. Specifically yung table. Yung table sa pool, nagmo-move man. Tapos pinalagyan na ng tiles. O di ba? Sino daw yung hindi mai-stress? Nga, bakit siya lang daw yung nakaka-observe yung mga ganyan na bagay? Di ba? May dalawang table sa pool natin. And then, bakit daw pinalagyan ng hindi pa naman na resolve? Like, walang nag-analyze talaga ba na? Oh, wag yan ha. Kasi kailangan pa yan i-fix. Kailangan yung table hindi nag-move. Kasi nag-move table na ginawa. Nilagyan na kasi yung dati ng old form natin ng tatlong rivers at saka tata nag-advise siya kung pwede ba ganyan tatlo. Magsasabi yan nung pwede ba lagyan lang ng mga rivers at semento yung table kasi supposed to be dati. Yung plano is lalagyan siya ng metal tube. Lagyan siya ng metal tube. Tapos, guys, ang metal tube sobrang mahal. Tapos, yun na nga, sabi ng naman na pwede lang daw. So, ngayon yung table, grabe kung makamove. Sabi ni tata, walang nag-analyze ba nga? May kahapon, grabe kasaba niya. Wala may analyze ni. Pwede ba dahil na? Badayin ang table ang dumog mo. Ganahan ba dahil ka bali ang table. Mura kanang ganana siya be. Ana ang table. Normal ba di ay kuno na nga kay nga ang table. So mo to kay nakasaba kay lagi yung gabi eh. Dan isa pa yung kasabi cake niya is yung sliding door na buho. After sliding door na may kasi yung sliding door ay may air ventilation. And then, yung air ventilation ay tinabunan ng nagtatiles doon. Pastilan tinabunan, guys. Ikalawang beses na yan sa isang tiles heater, ganun din. Tinabunan, high blood me. Sinabihan na namin sila na hindi tabunan pero tinabunan ng pag-layout. Hindi ako talaga pumunta doon sa second floor. Pastilan. Tapos na guys, so kung ano yung sasabihin ngayon nila na rason bakit tinabunan yung air ventilation ng sliding. Kasi pag itatouch mo yung sliding, yung bubuhuan mo, mawawala yung insurance niyan. Hindi na tayo bibigyan ng insurance. Ang mahal kayo ng sliding be. Thailand. Ewan ko anong gagawin niyan ngayon. Kasi grabe, blood tata, pila ko na, hundreds, thousand ang sliding. Tapos, patapos na naman yung ating tiles din. Lang yun yung tiles na sold out. But the same lahat ng tiles. Pag mga buak na po naroon, pareha itong toilet tiles na grabe na wadaan tatanan og tiles. Kahit tungod na sold out na. So, ang nangyari, nag-iba na naman yung tiles natin. Kasi pinasimula na lahat. Kasi yung rules is bawal mag-start ng tiles ngayon. Kung hindi pa lahat kompleto. Lahat ng balcony, the same tiles. Lahat ng toilet, the same tile. Pinasimulan man lahat at the same time. Wala na. Sold out na yung tiles na yun. Wala na tayong mabili-bilan ng tiles kasi nangasira, nangabuak, nangabiak yung mga tiles. Ang daming kulang ng mga tiles. Dahil nung dumating yung tiles dito, in-order namin ng bulto-bulto na sa pool. Nandito kami pag-order but pinadeliver namin, nandun kami sa pulan. Tapos walang nagbilang ng mga tiles. Kulang. Grabe ang daming kulang. Kaya palagi kaming balik-balik sa shop. Grabe ka abog ka, grabe abog kaayos. Balik na pud akong hubak. Ilang buwan din ako or ilang years din ako hindi inubak. Ngayon bumalik. Ay sa magsakit akong bugani kaya di siya kaboto. So, grabe yung stress guys. Yung ibang tao pa. Of course, hindi naman lahat gusto kaming tulungan. Gusto lang manarbaho. Mag-end ng work, yun lang. Para makasweldo. Meron ganyan kasi hindi man lahat ng tao na meron ding of course I'm so thankful to all workers na alam mo yun, yung hindi lang mag-iisip na mag-work lang ko just for today. Meron na namang work tomorrow. Meron din yung tao na ningkamot po kay naani sila ikol. Yan na ba? Para makatabang ta kay boring aning nahitabuan nila. Ako ani sila, wala pa na sila giripanan sa contractor of 4 million. Yung 4 million nila na TY. Ewan ko, meron pa ba to silang pera pang sahod sa amin. Alam mo yun, meron kasing ibang worker na gano'n sila nag-isip na luoy na kain ni sila. Nakuha na nitong una. Gipatukuran ni sila tong una nga walay blueprint, walay building permit, ilang balay. Sila pa ni kuhaan nitong before sila nag-start. Ikuhaan pa ni nila tanan og blueprint tanan. Kaya ang old contractor wala joy gihatag nga blueprint, building permit. At ang old contractor ug ang lawyer nga gakuan ani itong una, gadala. Kay sila may gadala ani diri sa katong dalay ka update namo naing aning ana. Ang titulo ko no sa land, dili dayon mahatag kay tungod kay there's a process. Pero ang tinuod di ay wala jud sila gibayad sa tinuod nga may-ari sa yuta. Alam mo yun, merong ganiyang mga tao na nag-iisip. Kasi, of course, kasi yung mga ng old contractor ng sahod. So, alam din nila kung ano yung aming sitwasyon. Na same din kami, hindi rin kami niripanan ng 4 million na din ang deposit namin sa kanila, sa contractor. Kaya kahit ano pa, sabihin niyo na hindi lahat. Of course, tao ako, hindi ako robot. Matruma ka, day. Of course, alam niyo naman, no, nakikita niyo naman siguro kung gaano ako nag-iba. Gaano ako nag-iba na grabe akong stress nga. Tinago-tago ko lang na I'm trying my best na ma-okay ko. Dili pa ko mabuang tungod sa kay nahitabo sa nakandiri ka ng kay I know dili tanang tawo. I know dili tanang tawo. Sa mga nahitabo na mo dali sa site. Dili tanang tawo. Kay watan. Kay grabe ang kawat ko lang nahitabo dali nang. So I'm still trying my best nga malipay kay ganahan mo malipay si Jurly. After pa jud na nahitabo sa akong papa, namatay pa jud akong papa. Saan kalipay na ako? Mao nang ang uban nagsige ingon nga, "Nganong late imong upload? Nganong late imong upload? Nganong ingani ingana?" So wala na ko'y time. Mura ko'y mabuang guys. Like, murag feel na ako wala ko'y karapatan mag-mourn. Like wala ko karapatan. Sad kay na among 4 million. Ang 4 million wala na. Wala may giripanan sa kontraktor. Wala ko'y karapatan na sadaan. Like wala ko'y karapatan. Malagot kay gikawatan mi sulod balay ug gawas. Abi pa lang ni wala ko kasabot. Pagkamatay pa dyan sa akong papa. Kinahanglan pa siya pang gumanarbaho. Wala pa siya pang karapatan gahuot akong ulo, gahuot akong dugaan. Lisod na ko ka, lisod, lisod mo hilak. Like, feeling na ako, tanong na, wala kasabot na ako. Wala ko'y kwarta. Bisag may wala ko'y kwarta, dili sa lang po. Pangayo na lang ako sa akong chemical. Pangayo na lang ako chemical. Lisura. Ay lagi dili sa lang ko to. Nalagay apa, nagkalipang ka kwarta. Tumuna, single pa ko. Anong gamot ba't kung tabangan sila ni mama. Karon sa pagkamatay sa akong papa, patay na gani akong papa. Nagsige pa siya migahoy kinsay mo tag diri-diri. Of course ako, di man sa pagkuano kan namatay naman ta akong papa. Pag tinabangay na lang taming tanan. Pero guys, grabe lisura. Matay na lang ako, mama. Nagsige pa siya migahoy tungkol sa kwarta. Ang galit si Michael, nakasabot siya. Nakasabot siya nga. Kulang na pud kayo ako. Kwarta, nag-need pud mi diri para sa ako. Sa amo ang panimalay. Kaya dako po jud kayo ni kinahanglan ng kwarta, nangutang na gani. Pero ako ano mga pag di na makaibi. Wala jud. Kita na siyang pagsuot, magtinamangay. Wala, wala jud ko ka-feel ano guys. Namatay na ganito sa tumakas ako papa, wala pa jud mi nagtinamangay. Wala na jud mi nagtinamangay sa like, makatag ako. Ingon pa, oh, kanis ko namatay na lang ganito ko papa. Itong una ka, itong buhay pa ako papa. Wala magalit sila gatag. Magpalit tambal. Makatag yung mayroon. Sa oras man ang tambal. Sa oras man ang ego. Masabot naman ko. Ganang. Kuha sila no. Pero ang kanang effort. Baka ng effort. Kulang ra ilang effort. Nga. 500. 1,000. Pila raman na kaunan raman na sa tambal. Ibaba ang antibiotic. Pero katong namatay na si Papa. Ngayon akong tabak sa social media to. Tumbuhi pa si Papa kay ulang ra jud kaayo. O si Michael Rosaligan ulang ra kaayo. Ay ako ang kwarta igo ra pud kilamon-lamon sa tambal ni Papa. Kinsa man di ay mapalit ang tambal ni Papa. Hindi si Jerlyn yun ako man nagtambang. Si Jerlyn yun nag-igit og kwarta. Si Jerlyn yun. Aning kamot mo ka ginahawa. Ginahawa lang samtang buhi pa. Tawa lang samtang makatabang. Sorry ang katawa. Aning kamot mo ko patabang. Ito mo. Kahit lang ng payo si Papa. Ano ang ganit ko ka dali pero mas lang ako si Papa. Parang bising ko pero kabalo ko mga na si Papa ko dali sa balay. Pero sa kamatayan ako mapapat. Maura jawan ilang ipakita dali na ako. Wala. Just, nagtinambangay man ako. Pero na-enjoy. Hindi pa noon tanan. Pero grabe ka away-away Japon. Naara Japon favoritism. Like, magtapok ba akong ganan? Magtapok mi. Kay magsabot gakuan. Maudi. Gitapok na ko tanang resibo. Kay para unta ba ka nang makaunaw pa silang tungaan ni mo. Kay matay naman ang mong papa. Katong time gakuan. Sige, ging naman ato tanan. Sa mga tambal. Sige, ging naman ato tanan. Naabtat si papang tulo ka bulang. Wala dyan sila naguna-una na. Wala dyan sila naguna-una na. Kumple ka na. Okay pa baka na sige ging no. Sa tanan na yung giatubang ron. Gikan pa tong una. Gikan pa tong una. Siya sa kawat-kawat niya. Siya karon. Siya na punta na natong gisa. Wala dyan sila nakahuna-una nga. About anak nga. Kuwan. Masalamat talaga ko si Miguel. Ano siya si Papa? Dili, ayaw ko. Dili, kailangan ko pag wala ko nagdaman. Anong sarang kaya ko kailang. Ganahan kong ganahan ko. Kasi, ginawa na hindi ako robot. Wake up. What's going on with this? Oh my god. There's a lot of ants in my camera because I put it in the floor.
This is ants. That is the source of protein.
Huh. So today, Tata is going to... Are you going? To rest. Manila with his friend.
To my friend.
To friend?
Yes, no one go with me. What you talking?
You enjoy there because you're very stressed here. What ha ha ha.
Then we see what happens after a few days if I'm not in the constructions.
Hmm. We'll see. Anyway, was that the daughter of my sister will arrive today? Hopefully he will arrive early so can get her. Or Agnes can get her. We will check the construction. You don't even prepare it your backpack.
No, I don't prepare nothing. We need to go to shop. We need to make a lot of things.
Yeah, because we are still going to buy tiles again. Because the tiles is sold out.
Because tiles have the leg and start running outside the construction sites.
I don't know, we counted before. The thing is, we don't, every time it arrives, we don't count. You know, that's the big problem. Last time we ordered big bulk tiles from City Hardware. And when it arrives, we don't check. We never count.
No, you can count it. You don't need to count. You know how much you buy. You need to go to the room and count how many tiles. What's the problem?
And I don't see the broken tiles, so we can change. We need to return the broken tiles. Where is it? All the broken tiles.
You don't know the broken tiles. You can only.
So we can, replace it with another tiles.
It's like that. This is the reason I tell you guys before why Filipino is poor. Because you put the money in the trash. Is it true?
But how many days you're in Manila?
Secret.
Hmm?
What? Secret.
Secret. Papang 40 days is coming, so we need to go there because the 40 days is, I don't know if they will change it again. We cannot anymore. I don't know. Because they were all the time changed the schedule. Just like last time, if they hear someone will say it's not allowed the same day, they will change again. Because my family is changing. It depends on what they hear to the other people.
If changed, that yeah,
We don't go.
you understand. No, rules, it's rules. If you don't know, don't prepare. It's not my fault.
Anyway, ako na naman dito. Gihubak jud kog tao man ron. Dati na kong hubak. Kanahan lang ko kami magkuhan kalam akong butulan. And the mati is already awake na guys. Anyway, gabi pa naman yung ni Tata, yung kanyang larigada. So, okay lang yun. Kasi lalarigada siya ng gabi.
Where's my phone?
Why you turn off? Where's my phone to?
My phone?
No. So, pupunta na tayo sa school ni Mati. You're still wearing the same damit? You don't have another damit? It's your favorite?
Yeah, that's
Where is your damit now? Ay, your damit. Your backpack, love. Yung backpack niya. Lotion on! Agoy, ang lotion.
I'm out
Naman
of
ang
lotion. Look, I'm out of lotion.
Wala na siya lotion.
I can have perfume.
Namura siya bagong mata, oh. Charlie, where's Tata?
Let me have perfume.
Hey! What are you doing?
Mommy,
Where is Tata? You're not gonna do that.
where's there? Outside.
Mad, where is your backpack? It's here, oh! Today we are very busy and this kiddo is not doing well in the morning. So this is how we look like now. I'm gonna work and I'm going to to watch him facing the wall.
So we're not going to talk
So-
to any.
Hello guys! So we're going to the Triumph. We're going to buy additional toilet tiles, the color white, since the blue tiles is sold out already. So before Tata will go enjoy himself there in Manila with Frenny. Where are you going?
I go to
Angeles?
No, to Manila.
To Manila.
You know, Makati.
Makati Itlog.
Itchy.
Yeah, your itlog is itchy. So he's going to meet there two of his Frenny.
Why?
And
Why two?
you said two.
What?
Okay, only one. And of course, I already met that person before I been to Poland. Yeah. So only today the tiles for the wall.
Yes.
We don't need something else.
Bathroom wall.
Bathroom
Because
wall
part for
only.
electricity roof we buy. Part for stairs we buy. CR wall. Employee building we buy. CR floor
we
we
buy.
buy. Laundry we use the old. And the
in
grout.
in the laundry area, we will use all the broken tiles. So, let's go guys! Maghahanap na tayo. I hope that the tiles is not sold out because it's a massacre if sold
we
out.
just buy.
You know what is the code of the tiles?
Yes.
Okay. We're going in. So, we're in Triumph. Dito din kami bumibili. Aside from City Hardware. Pwede ba dito mag-video? So guys, naka-order na kami ng 28 tiles na kulang. He knows how many...
What?
He knows how many tiles we need?
Yes.
28. What's in here? We're looking for aircon, split type. I think we...
20K.
Do you want to... Is it okay? We will just get an installer, our own installer.
How much?
I will ask because someone messaged me. Hit na to sa mga tiles. Saan yung grout nila dito? ABC. Oh, they have ABC grout. Here. Kasi last time, yung sa bahay namin is Master. Kaya lang may problema kami sa Master na brand. Or ewan ko paano nila yun in-apply. So, we have here, what color is this?
Dark brown.
Dark brown. Yeah, dark brown since mostly we have the brown tiles. This is for the room. 130 per box siya guys. So per room we have 6 rooms, so per room is 3 box of grout. Yung gin-request ni Foreman. And sa toilet naman we have dark brown. Or is the dark brown?
Dark brown is there.
I know the dark gray. Black. Dark brown. Where is the dark gray? Black. Moss green. Dark blue. Oh, this is dark blue. Dark blue. But we need a dark gray. We will ask maybe if they have dark gray grout. Wala man dari. Uy! Wala sila. Cream lang meron. Peach. Bahama big. A bathroom. For all indoor and outdoor. Ganda. Big. For all indoor and outdoor application areas. Pool, fountain. Really? Pool? This is also okay for the pool? Wala na. Cream lang meron. Walang Bahama big. Bring out the color of your tile. Hello guys! So, nakabili na kami ng tiles and then
Grout.
grout then grout sealer. Kasi ito si Tata is ang dami niyang mga new knowledge. Nag-check siya sa kanyang friend ni AI na. Kasi bakit daw naging ganun yung aming tile sa loob ng bahay na wagtang ba, nangawala. Naging empty na yung wala nang grout and ang kulay is naging madumi na yung kulay. Lala, what happened to that guy? Why is doing like that? Bracing his head. And then, ayun, we first time buy the grout sealer. So, let's check kung how it works. And, how many hours we stay there? Very fast then.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Much,
and
much
we go.
faster than in City Hardware.
Because today they are not too much busy in Triumph.
Always like that in City Hardware.
In City Hardware, there's a lot of people. There's a lot of client. They have a lot of customers. Yeah.
I don't know.
The one that who assists us is also from City Hardware. That's why. Oh, he's so familiar. He's he's from City Hardware. He transferred from City Hardware to Triumph because it's near his house. Anyway, thank you so much. Next time na lang atong pang snack kay wala nakaabot. Wala nakaabot. Puhon na lang nagbalik. So, we go back to house na guys. Si Mati nasa school na. And then, supposed to be si Ria is nag-chat sa akin kaninang umaga na lalargada daw siya sa kanilang bahay. Kasi birthday daw niyang kanyang papa. But, sad to say, is hindi ko siya pinayagan. Dahil nga kami lang dyan, wala nang ibang maiiwan. Kasi si Tata is lalarga din papunta sa Manila. She already knows that like 1 week ago or 2 weeks ago na sinabihan ko na siya.
What?
Na Ria already knows that you're going to Manila, so
Yes.
no one must not.
No, she know I go to Thailand, but I don't
Yeah,
go to Thailand.
to Thailand, supposed to be.
He don't dance with me, you know.
I don't know. Maybe you talk too much.
Oh,
The bamboo.
I'm talking about the East Fund that transferred to me. I didn't know he forgot or he didn't want to see me there, but
Maybe, I don't know.
it's no problem for me.
So, Tata cannot go anymore to training because supposed to be the
Oh, with my
training
elbow,
there.
it's not good to.
He need to surgery again his elbow because he's getting old. All the time surgery his elbow.
Life is brutal.
After we go back to Poland, he will go to
I don't
surgery.
order yet the meeting for the surgery.
Yeah. Because it's 2 times already. He opened the elbow and still the same. There's still a lot of pain.
Do 3 razy sztuka. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, now that next time is 3rd time already. Ay nako. Anyway, if we go back to Poland soon, makarest na dyan taligta sa Poland. Because Mati and Lily is going to school. They're going to school together, no? Lily is very excited to go to school. You know guys, Lily wanted to go to school here in Philippines too, like Kuya Mat daw. But Lily is not allowed to go in school since she must be 4-year-old. School is only accepting 4-year-old up. So Lily is still 3-year-old, so school is not accepting her. So in Poland, school is accepting her, so she's very excited to go back there. And of course, she said that, you know, her Kuya Alex also, I miss Kuya Alex. So she like that. And she never see Kuya Alex anymore because Tata not calling Kuya Alex when Lily is not awake.
Because they sleep.
Lily all the time sleep.
No,
So-
Kuya Alex call very late.
Yeah, Alex only calling once a month.
No, maybe 2.
That's what you said.
But
no?
every day he asking about extra money.
Extra money. Only, like Filipino style. Only, gang. Nakakadiha, gang.
Kwarta, no kwarta.
O wala.
No trabaho, no kwarta.
Why gang? Wala gid ta da.
No honey, no money.
Geng, buhay ka pa, geng. Ay, buhay
Oh,
pa, man.
green mango, 30 peso per kilo?
Yeah, you want?
No.
It's sour too. Some of that is sour. So, dito na tayo, guys. I miss Krispy King. You miss Krispy King,
No.
Tata?
McDonald's.
Yeah, long time ago that we don't eat McDonald's.
Because we don't have money.
Yeah, no more. Oh no, I need to work again.
Budget.
Need to work because life is hard without work. No money, no food. No money, no food, no medicine. No medicine for my mamang. No support for mamang if I don't go to work.
Enough.
Yeah. Enough. And so, nandito na kami mga be. This is what we buy in Triumph. Tiles and grout, and this one, grout sealer. Protective coating for existing grouted areas. Sa kuha ni Joel sa sulod sa gym.
Ay, gamay ron di ay.
Gamay ra na.
Ay, sa gym.
Sulod sa gym. Ang kanang sa kuan sa CR man na, toilet wall. Dito sa 6th room. 6th room, pinakalas. So, we changed the broken pipe. Dili na po ni diri bakuan. Prangke. Yeah. Napa na ibuak lain? Daghan da ibuak ni? Nana po ibuak dere. Naro ay. Katingon na po na.
Dali. Napa tong
Na.
putlan na lang nimo.
Ay, nak. There. Going inside the septic tank. This is the parking space. Ihubak na ko. Ihubak na ko, be. Ano ito ko daw. Ano ito ko daw. Magnawa dali. Magnawa dali. Saan po itong hubakan? Asa sila? It's already 11. Mati will be out 11:30. Yeah. So, update ko kayo guys. So, mag-relax ako. May galapad akong ulo. Sakit akong tutunlan. Kaya hubak ng food ko. Ganito talaga.